What's up, guys? Thank you so much for returning to another motivational cleaning video. I definitely have a lot of motivation for you guys in this video. My apartment is definitely an extreme mess. As I had mentioned in my previous video, which I will link below, I have been more focused on my health and making sure I'm eating clean and ridding of certain toxins. So I definitely have been a lot more laxed on my cleaning and making sure I'm not stressing myself out. But that is okay. I know I definitely still needed to get this stuff cleaned up. If this is your first time seeing me, hey, my name is Stephanie McQueen. I am a married stay-at-home mom and a homeschool mom. I post motivational cleaning videos every Monday, and I would love for you to be a part of my channel. And this is my daughter, Genesis. You'll pretty much always see her helping me in my videos. I love her helping. This has kind of always been like a hard thing for me because our daughter definitely does have responsibilities and chores, but when you clean for a living, sometimes you can forget that, or you just get in the motion and you get cleaning and get going, and then you're like, oh yeah, I have a child that needs to be doing chores as well. So I definitely always try to include her in my cleaning videos, so you pretty much always see her. As I was editing this part, it was really funny to me because I was like, this is being a mom and a homeschool mom at its finest. My daughter was doing her schoolwork and she was asking me about her different spelling words, like literally the whole time that I was cleaning the kitchen and I was helping her do that. And I was like, oh yeah, this is me doing both at the same time. I absolutely love diffusing my Simply Earth essential oils. They are amazing. This one is my favorite, Happy Joy, and I'm going to be also diffusing it with lemongrass. This creates a refreshing, uplifting smell in my apartment, and I just love it so much, and this is a great company. I will link everything about them below.
I've been waiting for this, yeah. It's been up on my mind. Oh, it's hard to resist. Feeling like one of a kind. Oh, now the hard time's over. And for a moment, I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming. Oh, now it's my time now. Oh, now when I look back, it's like it's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally, yeah. Ooh. I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky, and even though it's the same, it feels like I got new eyes. Oh, now the hard time's over, and for a moment I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's moving closer. I can feel it coming.
Before I started wiping it down, I did rinse off my trash can in the shower just to get all the gunk off, and that helped a lot. So let me tell you, this was a pain in the butt to clean. Oh my gosh, it took forever. I was more than thankful and grateful for my daughter's help during this. She is just so sweet. She literally sat there the whole time and cleaned it with me, but it was a lot easier for her because her little fingers could kind of get in there and help me wipe it off better. So I was just so thankful that she decided she wanted to help mommy do this.